Good morning. So today we are going to learn the coughing and sneezing etiquettes. How do we sneeze? Like this? Achoo. No, this is not the right way. You have to take a tissue and then sneeze. Achoo. Or you can use your elbow like this. Achoo. If you have cold or cough, then wear the mask so that your friends don't get infected, okay? And you can clean your hands by using the sanitizer like this. In this way, you have to clean your hands, all right? So dear students, let's spread smiles, not the germs.